Grab any bar of soap you like. Take a grater and carefully shred the entire bar into a saucepan. Don't skip this step, it's key. Take a 200 milliliter bottle of Coca-Cola and pour it into the saucepan with the grated soap. Next, add 1 cup of water to the mix. Turn on your stove to medium heat and with a spoon, start mixing everything together. Keep stirring until the soap completely dissolves and integrates with the Coke. Once it's fully dissolved, turn off the stove. In a separate glass of water, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir it thoroughly until the salt dissolves completely. Pour this salt water into the saucepan. This step is essential for giving the mixture its unbeatable cleaning power. With a ladle, scoop the mixture into a plastic container. Fill it up and seal it tightly with a lid. Here's the secret. Pop the container into the freezer. Leave it there until the mixture is completely frozen. I know this process sounds like a lot, but don't worry. I've broken it all down in the description so you can check it out step by step after the video. We all have struggled with burned, blackened pots and pans. We scrub, soak, and scrub again. But those stubborn stains just won't budge. It's frustrating and exhausting, right? Here's where this amazing hack changes everything. Take out one of those stubborn burnt pots and apply a little of this frozen cleaner directly to the blackened areas. Scrub lightly, no harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing, and watch the stains melt away. Rinse it off and voila, your pot is sparkling clean, like it's brand new.